Welcome to Omcra Industries, Liquipack 5000. Double head liquid pouch packing machine. Liquipack series is the next revolution to the milk packing with heavy-duty machine that is accurate and high-speed. Interface is upgraded with touchscreen panel and PLC that controls and generate alarm and control mechanism. Machine available in different models from 1,200 pouch per hour to 10,000 pouch per hour. 200, 250, 500, 1,000 milliliters setting at just a touch. Constant heat or sealing. No cooling water. Minimum wastage. Hygienic stainless steel cover body. High-speed accuracy of falling ±2 milliliters. Almost no leakages. Liquipack 5000 combo model can pack plain milk, flavored milk, lossy curd, juice, drink water, edible oil, vanaspati, pasteurized fruit pulp, mango pulp, fresh cream, curefit, lubricating oil, fevicol, paint, etc. High speed, high accuracy. Almost no leakages.